Okay, we got our head here, and we drilled a hole for this. We got our stick put in, so we're all set. We took this out in here a little bit to open it up some. So we got everything here we need to finish the head. We have our acrylic eyes. These are about 1 inch. We have our ears. This has a 1 inch screw in it, so we'll use that. We got the back of the head. We have our wood dowel, which is going to go back here. That's for our string to go up and over and down through the neck. We have a 3 inch spring that we're going to use. That will get attached to the top of the mouth and then to the top of the head. That'll pull it closed when you pull the string to open it. We have a 1 inch ring, which we'll use on our string. We got a 24 inch nylon string we're going to use. We have 2 of these little eye hooks. One's going to get attached up here for our spring, and the other one will get attached back here that we'll tie our string to. We have 2 of these hooks. One's in the top up here that's going to hook to our spring. The other one will go down here on our stick, and we'll put a rubber band on that and to the body. That helps hold it steady for you. We have a 3/4 inch block we're going to use. And what we do is we're going to attach our 1 inch hinge here, and then this block will get attached to the top of it and get screwed in. So this will allow our mouth to open and close properly. The mouth will go in like that, and then this 1/4 inch block or 3/4 inch block will go in here on top of that, and that'll get screwed in from the sides, and that's what we put our hinge on. And we'll use 1 5/8 to go in through the side into this block. So we've got everything here we need to finish. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.